Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the class. Dear students, today let us start the new lesson Colors of Silence. This is unit 7. Okay. So students, here this lesson it gives the message that physical disability is no barrier to success. Okay, it gives a message as that physical disability is no barrier to success. It means we can see many persons who are disabled, the persons who are having disability. Okay, so for example, some people who are not able to see, some people who are not able to hear. Okay, some people who are not able to speak. Okay. And some people they are not able to walk, they are not able to run. Okay, those persons are called physical disabled persons. Okay, you can see around us, surrounded us. Okay, so those persons are called as physical disabled persons. So in India we can see many famous persons. So here physical disability, so that is not not barrier to success. That will not be barrier to success. That means it means physical disability is not barrier to success. Means those persons, so they will not become frustrated one. Okay, they will not become frustrated one, and their disability it did not become barrier to their success. Okay, those persons they don't frustrated because of their disabilities. Okay, so instead of that, what they have to do? They have to do they have to do something. Okay, so always they try to do some successful things. Okay, means their disability they did not become barrier to their success. They did not become their barrier to their life. Okay, so this is what that we came to know from this message. This physical disability is no barrier to success. We can also say that disability need not to be obstacle to success. It is just a state of mind. Physical disability it is just a state of mind. Okay, so those persons they did not take it as a serious one. Okay, so apart from that, instead of that, they try to do something. Okay, we can see in India, we can see many people they have disabled one. For example, they became very successful person. Okay, for example, Sudha Chandran. So she was one of the physical disabled person. Okay, she became as the classical dancer. Okay, her leg it was injured by an accident. Okay, so though her leg injured, okay, though her leg injured, though her leg pained, she became as classical dancer. Okay, and we can see one of singer Ravindra Jain. Okay, so he was one of the Indian singer who is blind. Okay, so though he was a blind, he became as a famous singer. Okay, so these are the persons, physical disabled persons. Okay, so they became as a successful person in our country. Okay, the lesson Colors of Silence. It is a true story. It is a true story. It is about a boy who met with an accident and lost his sense of hearing. Okay, he lost his sense of hearing because he met with an accident. Okay, so though he lost his sense of hearing, he became as a successful person in his life. Okay, the boy is none other than Satish Gujral. Okay, the boy is Satish Gujral. So, have you ever heard the name? Satish Gujral. He is famous artist of India. He is a famous artist. okay, and he is a famous painter, okay. He is one of the famous foremost artist of India and one of the famous painter in our country, okay. And he is the elder brother of I.K. Gujral. I.K. Gujral, he was the Prime Minister of India. He became the Prime Minister of India. So Satish Gujral, he was the elder brother of I.K. Gujral, Inder Kumar Gujral. Inder Kumar Gujral, once he became the Prime Minister of India. Okay. See, let us see about the lesson. The lesson, the title, it shows, it suggests colors of silence. So this is a true story, the story of Satish Gujral. Satish Gujral. Okay. So who lost his sense of hearing in an accident. Okay. So he faced many difficulties with his deafness. Okay. So after that, at last he became one of the famous painter of our country, one of the famous artists of India. Okay. See, colors of silence. The title it shows, it suggests that colors of silence. It means silence, you may know that. Silence means nishabd. So if a person became deaf, deaf means kudu. So his word or the word of deaf people, okay, the word of deaf people, it is a silence, means they can't able to hear. Okay, so the deaf, how they feel? They felt all the activities which was doing in front of his, okay, in front of him, that was going to silence. Okay, this colors of silence. It means Satish Gujral, though he became a deaf, okay, he could not able to attend school, he could not do anything, he could not involve in many educational activities, but he was involved himself in painting. Means used many colors for painting. So how he involved himself in colors of painting in a silence. Okay. So this is what the title shows. Have you understand? Okay. See, look at the lesson. Page number 141. Okay. Page number 140. Open your textbook. Page number 141. See, unit 7. Colors of silence. So this is taken from National. This is a small story taken from National Book Trust of India. Okay. See, Satish, why did not you come to school today? So at the beginning, the lesson starts with a conversation between Satish and his friend, closest friend, Surendra. So once Satish, so he was a 8-year-old boy. Okay. So once he could not be able to go to school. So the next day, his closest friend, he came to his house, Surendra. His name was Surendra. He came to his home. Whose home? Satish home. Okay. So and he came to his house and asked to his friend Satish, why did not you come to school today? Why did not you come to school today? See, so on that day he came. Okay, avatte banda next day alla. So on that day, the means the Satish could not able to school one day. So on that day, Surendra came to his house and he asked Satish, why did not you come to school today? Yak bandila ನೀವು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ? Who asked? Surendra. Okay. Surendra had to repeat the question 3 times before Satish heard him. So Surendra repeated his question 3 times. After 3 times, Satish can able to understand. Satish, so he could understand the question of Surendra after he was asking 3 times. After he asking the same question 3 times. Okay. Surendra had to repeat the question 3 times before Satish heard him. He was lying on the bed. So what was Satish doing? Satish was lying on the bed. His eyes closed. So because it means he was ill, he was sick at home, so that he could not able to go to school. Okay. See, he was lying on the bed and his eyes closed. Sweat glistened on it, glistened on his brows. Glisten means showed. So there was a sweat on his brows. Brows means eyebrows. Okay. Sweatness. It was showing on his face. ಅವನ ಹಣೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹುಬ್ಬಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ಸ್ವೆಟ್ನೆಸ್, ಬೆವರು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. No, I am not well, replied Satish. See, after you can heard the you can heard after 3 times he can heard the question of Surendra. So what he replied? No, I am not well. Satish replied, I am not well. I am not feeling well. Of late he had been down with something or other. He says that I am suffering from something, so that I could not able to school today. Okay. Why? What's the matter with you, Satish? Satish again Surendra asked him, why? What's the matter with you? What happened to you? What's the matter with you? His friend asked with concern, with caring. Concern means caring. Okay. Very caring. Okay, so Surendra asked him, why could not come to school? What's the matter with you? What happened to you? Who asked? Surendra, because there were a closest friends. Okay, he put his hand on his forehead to feel it. Surendra put his hand on Satish's forehead. Forehead means hane, to feel if he was feeling with feverness or not. Who put his hand? Surendra put his hand on the forehead of Satish to feel. Okay, avige ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವನ ಹಣೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಟ. I don't know, Surendra, it's been pretty bad since the last operation on my leg. See, Satish said that, I don't know, Surendra, I have not feeling well. It means I am suffering, I am feeling very bad since the last operation on my leg. It means Satish had taken many operations for his leg. So there was wrong with his leg. What happened to his leg? After we can see it. Okay? It's been pretty bad since the last operation on my leg. Since the last operation he had taken, so he was feeling like that. He was not feeling well. He was very unhappy. He was very sad. I get these terrible headaches and then feel as if everything is going dark and silent. Means Satish was suffering from headache. Headache means ತಲೆನೋವಿನಿಂದ ಬಳಲ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. And then feel as if how did he feel? He felt as if everything is going dark and silent. Means it shows that he can't able to hear. Could not able to hear. Okay, so everything he felt that everything it is going dark. Everything, every actions, they are going to be dark and silent. Means it shows he lost his sense of hearing. I feel miserable. Miserable means unhappy. So what is the antonym for miserable? Happy. So who felt happy, unhappy here? Satish, because he was suffering from headache, okay, and everything, he lost his sense of hearing, and everything in front of him, he felt that everything they were going on dark and silent. But why are you speaking so softly? Satish asked him, Surendra. Satish asked Surendra, why are you speaking so softly? I can barely hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear your words. So why are you speaking so softly? Surendra gave him a strange look. Strange means funny look. Surendra, because he had repeated 3 times. Okay. So here now Satish was asking, why are you speaking so softly? Okay. So at first Surendra can't understand. So he gave him a funny look. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ? He gave him a funny look and he had certainly not been speaking softly because he had not certainly ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲಿ he had not certainly speak softly because he had repeated three times the question. Has he lost his hearing? Wondered Surendra. Wondered means surprised. Surendra surprised. Has he lost his hearing? Has he lost his sense of hearing? He thought himself. Surendra thought himself, but he did not speak in front of him. Has he lost his sense of hearing? ಅವನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂಥ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನ, ತನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ. ಅವನು ಬಾಯಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. His words could not come from his words because if he say like that, if he said in front of him, in front of Satish would become upset and he felt first frustrated one. Okay, so that Satish, he thought himself, okay, has he lost his hearing? Has he lost his sense of hearing? See, poor Satish had been ill ever since he came back from the holiday in Kashmir the previous year. See, poor Satish. The speaker called him as a poor Satish because the situation of Satish is very bad one. Okay, so that here we call the Satish situation is poor. Okay, poor Satish had been ill ever since he came back from the holiday. So he became ill ever since he came back from the holiday. So in the previous year, so he went to Kashmir for holiday. So when he returned from Kashmir, he felt as okay. See, so what happened in Kashmir? What happened to him? So while he went for holidays. See what happened. See, so the 8th paragraph, it is happened before Surendra came to his house. So when he went to holidays, when he went for holidays in Kashmir, so there he met with an accident. Okay, see what happened. There had been an accident when he went hiking with his father. See what happened to Satish. So there had been an accident when he went hiking. Hiking means just walking. So when we also, so if we go for our villages or any cities or any our relatives' houses, we can't sit in a place. What we have to do, we can go many places to see. So in the same way here, Satish, what he had to do, so he went for holidays in Kashmir. He went for hiking. Hiking means just walk. Okay, so he wanted to see the village. He wanted to see the Kashmir. So he went for hiking with his father. He went for hiking. And brother, with his father and brother, he went to have a look the place. They were crossing a rickety bridge. So they were here. Satish and his brother, they have to cross rickety bridge. Rickety bridge means big bridge. Okay, while they were going to hiking. See, they were crossing a rickety bridge over some rapids. Rapids means it is given in a glossary a dangerous part of a river which flows very fast because it is steep and sometimes narrow. ಅದು ಒಂದು ರಿಕ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ವೀಕ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸದೃಢವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಯಾವ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇತ್ತು? ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇತ್ತು. ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಳಿಜಾರು ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹರಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಸೇತುವೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಸೇತುವೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಹೋದ್ವು. The boy stood and looked down at the swirling water below them. They stood on the weak bridge, and they looked down the swirling water. Swirling means ಸುಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅದು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Here the Satish was only 8 years old. Okay, so just he wanted to see the swirling water. Okay, look how the water is rushing at the spot. Satish pointed out to his brother. Satish, he looked down the swirling water and he pointed to his brother. How the water it is swirling, it is rushing at the spot. Just then his foot slipped and losing his just. So when he was standing there on the weak bridge and looking the swirling water, so suddenly he lost his foot. Suddenly his foot slipped. Okay, his foot slipped and lost his balance. He lost his balance. He fell into the rapids. He fell into the steep narrow of water. Okay, his screams were lost in the rushing sound of the water. His screams means ಕೂಗಾಟ. ಬಿದ್ದಂತ ರಭಸಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಗಾಟ ಕೂಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. So they were lost in the rushing sound of the water. The rushing sound of the water which makes the screams of Satish which silenced, okay, the rushing was the sound of the water which silenced the screams of Satish. ಇದು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತು, ಅವನ ಕೂಗಾಟವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸದ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತು. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹಿಡಿಯುವಂತಹ ಶಬ್ದ, ನೀರಿನ ಶಬ್ದ ಅವನ ಕೂಗಾಟವನ್ನು ಹಚ್ಚೋದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸಿದ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತು. When he regained consciousness, his legs were plaster cast and his head hurt badly. He was bruised and acting all over. See, when he regained consciousness, when he got consciousness, where was he? He was at the hospital. His legs were in a plaster cast. There was a plastering on his legs and his head hurt badly. It was very badly injured. It was bruised. Bruised means injured and hatching all over. And hatch means pain. So though all the body was injured one. So this is an accident which Satish met. Okay, Satish met this accident. So for this accident, Satish, he was badly injured. Okay, and he was at the hospital. Okay, see what happened later. We will meet you in the next class. Okay, students.